No, it was once believed vaping was a pretty safe way to quit smoking, but now it's being seen as a gateway to it. You've very likely heard about the numbers showing teen vaping is on the rise.
But how dangerous are vapes really? 6 on your side's Gabriella Pagan sitting down with our state health department, sharing why they are now urging providers to report cases of respiratory problems caused by vaping.
The Tennessee Department of Health is now urging healthcare providers across the state to report cases of vaping-associated respiratory illness.
There's clearly an outbreak of quite serious lung disease associated with vaping. This is something that has not really ever been seen before.
The request comes after the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention began investigating a cluster of severe lung disease in people using e-cigarettes. That cluster number was at 150 cases across 16 states, those numbers jumping to more than 180 cases across at least 20 states in the few hours between the release being sent out and our interview with the state health department's epidemiologist, Tim Jones.
And those numbers are continuing to go up fairly quickly, but it doesn't mean that the illnesses themselves, all occurred in the same matter of hours. The numbers are going up fast, but I think a lot of that is just because people are more aware and looking for it.
While Tennessee is not a part of this cluster, Jones says it is only a matter of time.
I would very much expect us to have cases here in Tennessee because there's, nothing special about our population that would make us any, less susceptible.
Symptoms to look out for do include coughing, a shortness of breath, and fatigue, growing worse for a period of days or even weeks. Jones says most cases are among young adults.
Some have been very severe. There are several that have ended up in intensive care and had to be on special kinds of breathing machines to make it through the illness.
In Knoxville, Gabriella Pagan, WATE, 6 on your side.
Now, the Tennessee Department of Health does offer free and confidential assistance to anyone trying to quit smoking or using electronic cigarettes.
Yeah, the Tennessee Tobacco Quit line is just one of them, and to reach that hotline, you can call this number, easy to remember, 1-800-QUIT-NOW.